to fix Instagram can't reply to story. So to fix this issue, you can start by checking the creator settings. You can only reply if the person has enabled message replies. If there is no reply bar or a camera icon at the bottom of the story, the user has turned this feature off. Now the next thing what you can do is update the app. Just go to your device's App Store or Google Play Store, then find Instagram, and if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is clear the app cache and data on your Android device and upload the app on your iOS. So on your iOS device, what you can do is go to settings, then go to general, now tap on iPhone storage, now find Instagram from the list, then tap on it, now tap upload app. Once you tap upload app, tap immediately reinstall app. Now the next thing what you can do is log out and log back in. Open your Instagram app, tap on the profile tab at the bottom right corner, then tap the 3-line menu in the top right. Now scroll all the way down to log out. Tap log out. Once you tap log out, close the app completely, open the app and then log back in to refresh your session. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.